How to update the rent on a listing on affordablehousing.com. On your dashboard, under Listings, go ahead and select the listing you'd like to update. Under that listing, click the More Actions button. In the drop-down menu, click Edit. The listing page will appear. For community properties, click Step 5, Models and Floor Plans. Here, you can change the rent of individual models and floor plans. Select the model you'd like to change. Adjust the value under Monthly Rent. When you're finished, scroll to the bottom of Step 5 and click Save and Exit. To change the rent of a single listing, looks very similar. For single unit listings, you will click Step 1, Property Details. Once under this page, go ahead and change the value listed under Monthly Rent. Once you're finished, scroll to the bottom of Step 1 and click Save and Exit. And now your updated rent will reflect on your listings page.